So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to unclog a toilet. So first, you're going to go like this. Look at this. Right? And then do it again. Right? Once when you're done, you're going to get some Old Spice. You're going to go like this. Like that. See? You're going to go like that. Once when you're done, you're going to get some of this. That. Right? And then you're going to, oh yeah, can't forget the Mocha de Gorilla. You're going to go like this. Come right here, Leanna, show. I'm gonna go like that. And then you're gonna do this. You're gonna spray it. Make sure it smells good. If you're done, you can do this. Like that. And then you're gonna mix it up. And then you're gonna flush it. Works like brand new. And that's it.